Hello, in today's video, I'll do a tutorial on how to use Recovery Assistant on iPhone to fix different things automatically without data loss, like boot loop or glitches. If your phone has some software glitches or is stuck in a boot loop, which means there's the Apple logo being displayed, then it turns off, and then it turns on again, and so on. Then you can go to the new recovery mode that is available on iOS 27, which if you don't have, you won't be able to do it, and you'll probably need to restore your iPhone with data loss with a computer. There is a video about it, or update it through Apple devices, Apple and Windows, or through Finder if you plug it into your computer and enter the recovery mode. But if you have iOS 27 beta that you have installed, you need to do it on purpose, so you probably know that you have installed it. Or if it's September 2026, there's a chance you already had it installed because it will be released officially in September. Now let me show you how to enter that mode. First, turn off your phone by pressing and holding on power and either of the volume buttons. Then slide to power off if your phone is currently off, of course, and wait for at least half a minute to make sure your phone is fully off. After half a minute, you may want to either just start pressing and holding on the power button and hold for longer. I'll explain it in a moment for how long should you hold, but you can either do that, or if you are stuck in a boot loop, then you will actually need to press on volume up, then release, volume down, then release, and press and hold on the power button. So that's what I'll do, just to because you can also do it if your phone is just off, but it's easier to just press and hold, of course. You can just press and hold, press, release, volume up, press, release, volume down, press and hold the power button. Or just press and hold the power button if you're not in a boot loop. Continue pressing for longer than you typically would, then you'll see continue holding for recovery. When it changes to loading recovery options, you can now release the button and wait until it gets to the new recovery screen on iOS 27. Now, once it enters the mode, you can click on Recovery Assistant. Don't worry, it won't delete your data. It works fully automatically. So let's do it. Sometimes, of course, the mode won't fix the issue. Then you can watch a video on how to restore your iPhone using a computer, and you could go to recovery mode here, but that deletes your data unless you select the update feature. But update won't work if your phone has a beta version of the system. But you probably know it has a beta because you need to install it, you need to purposely install it. So you'd probably know. So if you don't know, it probably doesn't have a beta. But I cannot guarantee. I know for sure that recovery is not going to delete your data, so let's click on that. Now you can select whether you want to send data to Apple or not. It's just Diagnostics. Then you can enter the passcode to your iPhone, and then you'll need to enter a Wi-Fi network in order for the iPhone to communicate with a server to verify some stuff, as well as to maybe install some additional data. In my case, everything works, so it's gonna say no known issues found. But if there's an issue, it will try to fix it. Or if there's an issue and it still says no known issues found, then you'll need to go deeper and try to restore it with your computer. But as I said, there's a video about it, so feel free to watch it. Now I'll restart my iPhone, and I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.